In this video, you will learn the fundamentals of how a JavaScript program is interpreted. Let's start with a definition. A computer program is a list of statements. Here is an example of a computer program. In this program, we have one line per statement, but that's not always the case. To interpret a computer program means to interpret the statements one by one. Let's start the interpretation process. Before a statement is interpreted, it is first copied. We copy the statement so that we leave the original statement untouched. How a statement is interpreted depends on the keywords and punctuation in the statement. In this case, the statement starts with the keyword let. Such statements are called variable declarations. The name after the let keyword, in this case x, is called a variable name. The right-hand side of the equal sign is called an expression. To interpret this variable declaration, we must first reduce the expression to a single value. A value is what an expression represents. The process of reducing an expression to a value is called evaluation. In this case, the expression is reduced to the number 10, which is a value. Since this is a variable declaration, the variable name and its associated value are placed in a table we call the global frame. The left column is for the variable name, and the right column is for the value. A frame is simply a table in computer memory where the computer keeps track of the values of each variable. Let's move on to the next statement. This statement is also a variable declaration. The expression on the right-hand side of the equal symbol is a variable. We have to look up the value in the global frame, and then replace it with its value. Since this statement is a variable declaration, we must add the variable to the global frame. Let's move on to the next statement. The expression on the right-hand side of the equal sign has three variable sub-expressions. Each one is replaced with its value during the evaluation process. Today we learned about statements, expressions, values, frames, and variables. These are the building blocks of all programming languages. We'll be using these words often in future videos, which will help you memorize them. So make sure to watch the remaining videos to build a strong programming foundation.